Hello, guys. Very good afternoon to all of you. Today, we are going to start our new subject, that is mobile computing, or whatever you can say it, mobile communication. So, we are starting with our first unit, and as far as concerned with the first unit, the basic topic, that is the introduction to mobile communication or the mobile computing or the complete communication system. So, first we are having an intro of the subject, the technology that enables communication of the information. It means that the mobile communication technology or the mobile computing gives us how we can gather the information and how we can utilize the devices that are used for our mobile going. Mobile means the devices that you can take with you. Means if you are traveling somewhere, if you are going somewhere, then these devices can help you up with such factors that you can store data, you can communicate data while you are traveling from one place to another. Now the another point is the characteristic. It is having a full of characteristics. The basic characteristic of it is hardware, second one is software, and then the communication. Hardware means which particular type of hardware is needed with us and how much that hardware can be used to justify the traveling part and the using and storing of the data. The software, as we know and we have gathered the information earlier also, that software are basically plays a mechanism role between the hardware and the user. It means that they are as mediocres that play a vital role while communicating between the peoples or the devices which are being used by a particular person. Then there are the limitations of mobile computing. First one is power consumption. As far as concerned with the power consumption, it needs power, but it is limited to it, because if we are having any mobile device or a device that we can carry upon with us, then it is completely useful when it is having a battery. But if it is having a larger battery, then it will be weighing, and it will be weighing, then the power consumption is needed. And if we talk about the mobile, as far as concerned with the cell phones, cell phone is the best example nowadays, everyone is using it. Then power consumption, we can see if network goes, means such as if you are using any connection and the traveling of 2G, 3G, 3.5G, 4G or VoLTE or 4G plus, whatever the network you are using, and if the network switches from 2G to 3G, 3G to 3.5G or 4G or VoLTE or 4G plus, then the consumption of power can be seen individually at each aspect, because as far as the mobile device is concerned, they are dependent on the battery, and the battery are rechargeable and they are limited to access them. Then there is a transmission interface. Transmission interface means then how you are going to transmit the information from one end to another. Potential health hazards. Potential health hazard means how they are hazardous to you, means कि वो आपको किस तरह से नुकसान देंगे और उनके यूज़ से आपको कहाँ का नुकसान हो सकता है. सिक्योरिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स आर हाउ वी आर dealing with the communication devices and how these communication devices can be used further in future too. Now it comes with the issues. There are three major issues, that is the security problem, bandwidth problem, and location aptitude. First we are going to discuss the security problem. Security problem is not so a big issue, but the thing is that if we are using any mobile communication device, then it must be gathered with such type of softwares that are faithful and they can be used easily. मतलब आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा एक ट्रांसमिशन मोड है, आपके पास एक मोबाइल है जिसे आप कैरी करके चल रहे हैं, या आपके पास कोई भी ऐसी डिवाइस है जो आप इजीली कैरी कर पाते हैं, तो उसके साथ आपके ये भी श्योरिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप उसमें ईजी अपना डेटा को एक्सेस कर पाएँ. अगर आप डेटा को ईजिली एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आपके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम अगर होगी कि आपका डेटा चोरी हो सकता है या वो डेटा कोई ब्रीच कर सकता है, ठीक है। बैंडविड्थ इशू गिव्स द राइज to the fluctuation of the data, and the location aptitude means that the mobile must be in such a place or must be in such a area that it is easily reachable to the network. Thank you guys.